Mm. It's nice out here though. Big D in the place to be. You see him. Work truck looking real good and clean. At least he clean. Working up there. I'll show y'all some video in a second. Work truck clean though. We gotta figure out how to get in this motherfucker. Come on, Big D. These yo people, man. Man, where them dogs at?
I think they took all the dogs with them too.
No, I think they're in that room over there. I heard them barking and shit.
I was just all up to do that.
No, I ain't fucking with their dogs. Yeah, them dogs in there still. Told you them fucking dogs was in there. D tried to trick me and shit. Fucking D. Told you, yeah, told you them fucking dogs was in there, nigga. Play with me, nigga. I know. Fucking around with them damn dogs.
Yeah, I just all up in there though.
Huh?
I just all up in there. I ain't seen them nowhere.
Mm-hmm. The bumblebee bee. So you know spring coming. You see the bumble eyes. All right, I'm gonna go in. You pass me them shits. That's what we doing with the wood. Put on the ceiling. Boom. We already did the drywall. AC unit. It's gotta finish going across. Started in the closet. Boom, bam. Big D from the group home. You see him out there. Passing premium pinery.
What's that?
See what? You done?
Blah, 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 blah.
You need your chicken blah blah.
Somebody take the future.
Gotta get another cartridge. We'll go with this one. We ran out of juice. We ran out of juice for the past little gun. Now we can walk around. No trash. Didn't quite get to where we wanted to, but fuck it. It's up. This is up. To that point, shit. Got further than I thought I was gonna get, shit. Alright, D.
Shit, I think we're gonna get this whole shit done. Pretty much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, with that, yeah.
With this, that's like having the whole shit done.
Right.
The next day.
You gotta kind of just do one at first.
That's right, beat the shit out of it.
I'm getting there on this one. For the gun?
Fuck. Sure. I was lining bitches up in the window. all the windows in this bitch. Hot than the motherfucker. In the baby attic. Woo!
Yeah, it's perfect. That's how we're going to do that. That's how I do that. When I measure shit, shit comes out perfect.
Yeah.
Shit's like magic, you know what I mean? Yeah. Magic.
Voila, magic.
There's magic in Mike. There's talented T.
Talented
That's how we do it. That's how we get down.
Take to the bed and voila, magic. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, that's how Jen's dad does that. You know what I'm talking about? Some pop up. Jen's dad be like this. She's like, case to do some shit. Oh, Roof's. Oh no, yeah, did it right the other night. Says, yeah, it took a couple hours. Ha ha!
Oh shit. Oh, we got a ceiling in this bitch.
And move this whole apparatus.
Let's
whole
move this
operation
major operation.
Major operation. This
You want
construct.
to take a shot at the measurements?
Who want to measure against the T?
Who wants it? You want to have a dick measuring contest in here, motherfucker?
Bio wiper. Put that shit up.
There we go.
Just put one in your end, and then you fucking get it done.
We're done.
Bags are fucking.
Good.
Yeah, give one.
Yeah.